Hi everyone, how's it going? My name's Madison. Thanks so much for coming to my channel. Today I have WingStop. How exciting. I never go to WingStop because it's expensive. Sometimes wings hurt my stomach, but today I don't care. This is what I want. So I just got this. Like, they gave it to me as soon as it was ready. So it's probably very, very hot. But I'm excited. I got the thighs, some fries, boneless, traditional. So I got all kinds of stuff. Of course, I got ranch. Here's their ranch. They got some good ranch in this motherfucker. That's for sure. They put 2 forks in here. That's funny. Ooh, it leaked out of the bag a little bit. I'm glad that I keep something on my seats. Okay. Ooh, I'm so glad I keep stuff on my seats. Let me get some napkins out. We'll do a thumbnail. I am so excited for this. Wow. It's been forever since I had this. Okay. Let's see what we got in this one. Yeah, it looks like they accidentally just turned it sideways real quick. Alright, so this is the boneless Louisiana rub, which is good. It's a dry rub, and then I got just their regular hot for the bone in. Let me put a ranch in here so they know it's not dry. Okay, so there's that. I'm gonna leave it open so that it'll calm down a little bit. Let's see what is in this one. Okay, and then these are the thighs. I got the thighs in the barbecue flavor. They look kind of funny, huh? That's funny. And then the cheese fries. I got a large, and when I thought about it later, I was like, I probably could have just gotten the regular one. I was really hungry. I haven't eaten yet. It's like 2. But here's the fries. I would take a thumbnail with everything, but... And then since their fries don't really have... they have seasoning, but I really like them with Slap Your Mama. So I'm just gonna put Slap Your Mama on top. They're so good with Slap Your Mama, cause it's like the voodoo fries, cause their voodoo fries don't even have flavor. How are you gonna announce something as voodoo and it doesn't even taste like anything? Okay, so let's get into these fries. These are extremely hot right now. I don't know if you can see the steam coming off of that, but I'm gonna get one of these ranches open. I just want to let the chicken cool down a little bit, because this is one of those times where if you put that chicken in your mouth, it's over. Okay, there we go. I personally love WingStop's fries. I think they taste really good with the cheese. I haven't had them plain in years. That Slap Your Mama seasoning just really elevates it. Attempting to not get this all over my car. I just have some water in there. All right, let's try one of these thighs. I really Don't know what to expect at all. Ooh, they're really hot. That's gonna have to wait. Those are way too hot. If I do that right now, I'm gonna burn my mouth. And I want to be able to taste the rest of this food. That is for sure. Okay. Let's get one of these Louisiana rub. These don't even need ranch. The flavor of those is so good. All right. I usually get their mild. I don't think I've had their hot in a while, so. I don't think I've ever eaten fried chicken on here. These are good size. They have some of the juiciest tenders. I mean, not tenders. They do have juicy tenders, but the boneless, I usually don't eat their fries with my hands, but now that I've started, I'm not gonna stop. These are really juicy. Sorry if I'm smacking a lot. It's really hard not to with these. Really good. This is just a piece of fat. I'm not gonna eat the piece of fat right there. I'm not sure if I've ever had their bone-in wings. I usually stick to boneless so I don't look like this. And I did just wash my hands in case that helps. My hand hurts from holding that. Anyways, so today, I went to, like, at the job, they give you like 8 sessions with this thing called EAEP. EAP. I was saying it like DAEP. If you know, you know. So they'll pay for like 8 sessions a year. So I went ahead and took advantage of that. I'm excited to get some help. If you've done therapy, let me know your experience with that. Oh, I pressed a button on my... Let me just turn the volume down. Okay, there we go. I think this would have been a good mukbang to do, like, in my apartment, so you guys could see the food the whole time. But it's too late. Trying to show you guys, like, as much as possible, like this. I put a little bit more Slap Your Mama because I'm on, like, the second half. Man, that meatloaf I made in that other video was so good. And those mashed potatoes, I even surprised myself. So if you have not seen that, you gotta watch it. Okay, let's see what's up with these. I have not tried these size. Okay. These are a little more difficult to eat with one hand. With these, you can't really eat the meat by itself. It doesn't taste like anything. It doesn't even have salt. And you could be like, well, like, their wings come with seasoning. I mean, come with sauce. So why would you eat it by itself? I mean, a thigh has a whole bunch of meat. You know what I mean? Okay, I think that's all the meat off of it. And we'll leave the other one for Brandon to try. He's at work right now. I got stuff all over me. I did think it was cool that you could add 2 thighs on and it's only $3.19, I think is what it said. That seems like a fair price for like 2 pieces of chicken with sauce on it. That makes sense. All right, let's get a couple more of these fries in. I'm definitely getting full, for sure, for sure. I mean, who wouldn't? Excuse me. Sorry that happened with food in my mouth. My bad. Anyway, I got into it deep with the therapist. So hopefully we can figure out everything. I see her again next week. Only thing about the Louisiana rub is that it's really salty. I don't know why it's so salty. Because it's like pretty unnecessary. Like even the bites with the ranch are still really salty, and ranch kind of cancels out salt a little bit. Like just milky stuff kind of cancels out salt. Like that's a pretty big flat. Like here it is, like next to my face, you know? That's a pretty big flat. I haven't been to Buffalo Wild Wings in years either. Definitely want to try that again. But I don't know if I want to deal with their bullshit, you know? I'm definitely full. One thing I hate about WingStop is that this ranch is like $1.49. $1.49? Crazy. Their fries are also really good. Like these cheese fries, like dipped in the hot sauce for this. Like not hot sauce, but this hot sauce. These sauce flavor hot. Sorry, I saw a butterfly come up to my window, but I thought it was a wasp at first, and I was scared. Okay, the last bite that I'm gonna do is some of these cheese fries, which I love how they make their cheese fries. They layer the cheese like in the fries, so good. So cheese fries with the hot sauce with the ranch. Woo! Super full. I think my bag is like on top of the bottles of water. Okay. Whew. Anyway, so thank you so much for coming to my channel. I really appreciate it. If you got this far, I also really appreciate that. Let me know what your favorite thing is at WingStop, or if you hate it, let me know. I definitely Loved all of this. Also, excuse me. My necklace fell off yesterday. I have it, but it completely like ripped in half. Excuse me. Like it literally just ripped in half. So, I gotta get a new chain for that, or just find the other chain that came with my actual pendant. I don't know where it is. The chain that I was using, I've had since like 2010. So, it felt like a loss. It definitely felt like a loss, for sure. Let me see if I can pull it out of here. Okay, yeah, it's right here. So, there's like a hair on it, but this is the like clasp, which I love this clasp. It's amazing. And then here's the necklace. It just completely broke right there. Super sad. But yeah, so I don't have my necklace on. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.